everything is in here. Look at this. You can't go wrong with this.
I'm gonna show y'all what he's talking about.
Look at this, man.
This is nice.
This
AC.
is the game room, the video game room. You name it. Kids can do everything in here. It's loud. It's beautiful. Now this is where I'll bring my boys to right here to have a good time.
Absolutely. Absolutely. About 800,000 USD, which is less than most of the homes in Virginia nowadays. Yeah. So this is another bedroom. Sorry, our tour got interrupted, but he got excited and whatnot. And then there's a bathroom back there.
It's locked for a reason.
It's almost like a closet.
That's all good.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
I love the little CD.
Some people just be doing too much.
So this is, I'm assuming, the main bedroom. Again, for 800K USD. And you got a little walkout area, which is nice. This is pretty good, huh?
It is.
Yeah. It's all right. Nah.
Now I know who I want to be when I grow up.
Oh, yeah.